If you're running lights at a campsite, charging your devices during a road trip, or keeping essentials powered in an emergency, the right generator brings peace of mind. Today, I'll walk you through my picks for the 10 best portable generators for camping, covering key features, performance, and why each one deserves a spot on this list. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Jackery Portable Camping Generator. If you want something compact yet capable, the Jackery Portable Camping Generator is hard to beat. It delivers 300 watts of clean power from a 293 watt-hours lithium-ion battery, making it ideal for charging phones, laptops, cameras, and small appliances while you're off-grid. With 2 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, including PD USB-C in and out, and a total of 6 output ports, you can keep several devices running at once. At just 7.1 pounds, it's light enough to toss in a backpack, and its operating range of 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit means it's ready for most camping conditions. Number 2. MARBERO Portable Camping Generator. For campers who prioritize portability and versatility, the MARBERO Portable Camping Generator is a strong option. It's incredibly lightweight at 2.3 pounds, yet it offers 8 output ports, including AC, DC, USB-A, USB-C, and Quick Charge 3.0 for faster device charging. Its 88.8 watt-hours capacity can power small electronics and even includes a built-in ultra-bright LED flashlight with multiple brightness levels and SOS mode. Number 3. GRECELL Lithium Battery Camping Generator. The GRECELL Lithium Battery Camping Generator offers a balance of portability and solid output for outdoor adventures. With 300 watts of power and a 230.88 watt-hours capacity, it can handle essentials like lighting, phone charging, and small appliances. It features 6 output ports and supports solar recharging, so you can extend its runtime when you're off the grid. Weighing 7.3 pounds, it's still manageable for car camping or short carry distances. With up to 600 watts of surge power, it can start up devices that need a quick power boost. Number 4. Takki Portable Lithium Battery Camping Generator. If keeping your pack light is a top priority, the Takki Portable Camping Generator is worth considering. At just 2 pounds, it's one of the most lightweight units on this list, yet it still delivers 100 watts of continuous power from an 83.25 watt-hours battery. It's solar-powered and designed to be super quiet, making it great for tent camping or places where noise is a concern. The unit offers a surprisingly long 94-hour runtime on low-demand applications, and fast charging capability means less downtime between uses. Number 5. Anker Portable Camping Generator. The Anker Solix C300 brings some impressive features for campers who want speed and durability. It packs a 288 watt-hours lithium iron phosphate battery rated for 3,000 plus cycles, delivering 300 watts continuous and 600 watts peak output. You get 8 outlets, including 3 USB-C ports, and it supports 140-watt two-way fast charging, allowing you to recharge quickly or power high-demand USB-C devices like laptops. One of its biggest perks is how quiet it runs, just 25 decibels, making it barely noticeable at the campsite. Weighing around 9 pounds, it's still portable enough for car trips or short hikes. Number 6. ECOFLOW Delta 2 Camping Generator. If you're looking for serious power in a portable package, the ECOFLOW Delta 2 delivers. With a 1,024 watt-hours capacity and 1,800 watts continuous output, it's more than capable of running larger appliances like portable fridges, electric grills, or multiple devices at once. It has 15 output ports, including 6 AC outlets, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, DC outputs, and a car charger port. Recharge speed is a major highlight, going from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and fully charging in 80 minutes via AC. Number 7. AMERISUN Portable Camping Inverter Generator. For those who prefer a fuel-powered option, the AMERISUN 2.5 kilowatt inverter generator is a reliable pick. Its 80cc 4-stroke gasoline engine delivers plenty of power with a runtime of up to 11 hours on a single 1.06-gallon tank. Running at just 56 decibels, It's quiet for a gas generator, making it suitable for campsites. While heavier at 39 pounds, it's ideal for situations where you need long, uninterrupted power without worrying about recharging batteries. Number 8. bailibatt Portable Lithium Battery Camping Generator. The bailibatt Portable Camping Generator offers 300 watts of power from a 266.4 watt-hours lithium-ion battery, giving it a good balance of capacity and portability. It features 7 output ports, including AC, USB-A, USB-C, and DC outlets, making it versatile for charging different devices. At 6.5 pounds, it's light enough for easy transport, and the built-in digital display helps you monitor battery status and output in real time. It also includes overload protection for safe operation. Number 9. BLUETTI EB3A 268 watt-hours Camping Generator. The BLUETTI EB3A combines portability with quick charging for campers who don't want to wait around. With a 268 watt-hours capacity and 600 watts output, it can power small to medium devices with ease. One of its standout features is its 1.3-hour quick charge capability, getting you back to full power faster than most competitors. At 10 pounds, it's a bit heavier than ultralight models, but still manageable for car camping or short trips. Number 10. GENSROCK Portable Camping Generator. The GENSROCK Portable Camping Generator is a lightweight yet capable unit, weighing only 2.3 pounds. Its 88 watt-hours battery delivers 120 watts of continuous power and supports both AC and DC output. You get a solid mix of ports, 2 AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, and Quick Charge 3.0, making it suitable for charging phones, cameras, and other small electronics. It also includes an adjustable LED flashlight with SOS mode, adding an extra layer of utility for night use or emergencies. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next outdoor gear review. And let me know in the comments, which portable generator would you take on your next adventure?